Now today we are gonna discuss the question answers means exercise of Tom whitewashes offense. Now let's discuss. Now let's answer. Here first question is what? What was the chores that Aunt Polly gave to Tom to do on Saturday morning? We know that 30 yards 2 colors of whitewash. Okay, we can write here. Aunt Polly had gave to Tom 30 yards of board fence for whitewash. Now second question is what? Was the Tom happy doing it? No. No, Tom wasn't happy for doing that work. Okay, we can write here that work. Okay, third question is what? How did Tom manage to complete the task? We know that. I will write first. Tom had not to do that work, so that he got an idea how to do by the boys for these works. He took things from the boys and he exchanged him work to complete this task. Now second question is what? Who said these words to whom? Why? And why also we have to write reason. Oh, never you mind what she said, Jim. He wrote only name Jim. Tom said to the Jim. Because Tom want to exchange him works with the Jim that time, he said to the Jim. Now second one is what? Say Tom, let me whitewash a little. Ben Rogers said to the Tom because Ben wants to try the whitewash. This creative writing is your homework, okay? You have to do with yourself. Now next one is a question tags. Before this all, I will tell you what is the question tag. Question tags. Question tag is a part of grammar so that we should know what question tags are. In what way we can use properly, how we can make them and how we can use them in a grammatically form. Okay, question tags. Now today class for only question tags. Now let's discuss about the question tag. Without any delay, let's start our question tags. Okay. Now if we read question tags means related to the questions. What are question tags? Question tags are not a complete question in itself. Now we have to convert the sentence into the question tags. Like question mark we have to use in the question tags. Okay. Now example we will write like that. Like this. Don't and isn't. We know that don't is the contracted forms of do not. And isn't is the contracted form of is not. Like this in question tags we are gonna use the contractors of auxiliary verbs and the subject. Okay, now let's start. Now look at, we are reading aren't we means here is the statements and this is called as the after the comma is called as the question tag. Okay, aren't is the contracted form of are not. Like this, we are readings are not we or aren't we, this is called as the question tag. Okay, in the question tags are two types. Which one is there? The basic question tags are classified into two, positive tags and negative tags. Now let's see one by one. First positive, then after one second negative. Now look at here, positive question tag. If the question tag is attached to a negative statement, it's said to be the positive question tag. Means in these statements we are using not is called as the negative statement. Okay, now we have to make this negative sentence into the positive statements. Okay, now here is what? He is not learning means after we have to do, after finishing of this statement we have to do comma, then after we have to write this negative statement we have to convert into the positive question tag. Okay, he is not learning. Here auxiliary verb is, but here is not means the sentence is what? Negative. Now after comma we have to apply is and subject he, and after question marks. Now this is called as the question tag, this much only. Okay, after comma this is called as the positive tag. We are going to learn about the first positive question tags means this called as the positive tag, and this statement is whole is negative. Okay, look at here. If the question tag is attached to negative statements, if the question tags attached to the negative statements, now it's said to be the positive question tags. Then after we have to this negative statements we have to convert into the positive. He is not learning. Is he? this not we have to cut, then apply we have to only positive statement we have to make, means negative statement convert into the positive tags, like this positive question tags. Positive question tag will be auxiliary verb plus subject plus question marks. This is called as the auxiliary verb subject plus question marks. This is the structure of positive question tags. Now next one is the negative question tags. Now look at here, negative question tags. Tags are said to be the negative if it is attached to a positive statement. Now this is a positive statement, we have to convert into the negative tag. Now first of all we have to do comma. Here is auxiliary verb are. Now this is a positive form, we have to convert into the negative, means are, aren't, we. Then after question marks. Now this is positive statement. Positive statement. Now after we convert into the negative tag. Okay. Tags are said to be the negative if it is attached to the positive. Attached to the negatives. Okay. We are working, aren't we? This is called as the question tags, and aren't is the contracted form of are not. Okay. Now structure of the negative positive tag is auxiliary verbs plus not plus subject plus question tags. Means here auxiliary verb and we include here not, means are not, auxiliary verb plus not plus subject plus question tag. Okay, this is called as the negative question tag. Now look at here, isn't is the contracted form of is not, and aren't, are not. In question tag we have to do like this way. Okay, haven't means have not, didn't is the contracted form of did not, doesn't, does not, don't, do not, shouldn't, should not. Like this is the contracted form. A few things we keep to mind when we are solving the question tags. The first is what? Question tags never start with a capital letters. Are nots, contracted forms of aren'ts and are not. We are using only this way to solve question tags. Never start with the capital letters. Okay, only this is a correct. Aren't and are nots. This is a wrong way. Second one is what? Subject of tag can never be noun. It's always a pronouns. Means I wrote example, Kavita has not eaten. Now let's solve in a question tags. Whole sentence we have to write, repeat. Kavita has not eaten. After comma, this is a negative statements. Means the first rule of positive question tag is what? Auxiliary verb plus subject plus question marks. Now here auxiliary verb is has not, means we have to use positive. Has. Kavita, here is what? Subject of tags can never be nouns. Means Kavita is, which subject we have to use for the girls? We know that she. Like this, then after question marks. It is called as the question tag. Okay, QT. Subject of tags can never be a noun, it's always pronouns. Like this we have to write. Don't write like this. Has Kavita. This is a wrong way. We have to write auxiliary verb plus subject and plus question marks. Okay, keep in your mind. Now third ones, in case there is no auxiliary verbs in the sentence, then we have to use what? Do, does, did is used in the tags. Now look at here, Amita won the prize. Here is auxiliary verbs, anyone? No. Now what we have to do? First when we solve, that time we have to write first whole, Amita won the prize. After we have to do comma. Then this is a positive statements. Now the question tag will be in a negative. Won is the V2 form, means we have to use here did. Positive, didn't. Then after Amita is the girl names. Now we have to use here she. After question marks, auxiliary verb plus not plus subject plus question tags. Okay, Amita won the prize, didn't she? Means here won is the V2 form, verb ka second root. Now Amita is a girl name. Okay, like this we have to solve if the auxiliary verbs is not in the sentence, so that we have to use do, does, did. Do, does for the verb. Whenever we use do and does in the verb's first form, and did is V2. Okay, this is a basic way if you understand this. Now on the basis of this question tags we have to solve. Supply suitable question tags to the following sentence. Amita won the prize means here is a V2 forms. Now we know that this is a positive statements. Now means we have to convert this into the negative. Now we have to write here won is the V2, means we have to use here didn't. Didn't is the contracted form of did nots. Amita is the girl names, we can use here she. Then after question marks, here comma already, means Amita won the prize, didn't she? Like this we have to solve. Our neighbors are peace loving peoples, comma, means here is the auxiliary verb is are. This is a positive statement. Now this positive statement we are to convert into the negative. Are means aren't, are not is a. Then after auxiliary verb plus we have to use subject. Our neighbors means they. After question tags, our neighbors are peace loving peoples, aren't they? Like this we have to use. We have plenty of times. Here is the positive. Now we have to convert into the negative. Have, haven't. Auxiliary verbs have positive. Now we have to convert into the negative. Haven't we? And after question marks, we have plenty of time, haven't we? Like this question tag. They haven't finished their work yet. Now this is a statement in negative. Now this question tag will be positive. Auxiliary verbs haven't, we have to convert into positive. Have, they. Question tags. They haven't finished their works, have they? Miss Little is very tall. Auxiliary verb is the positive form. Now we have to convert it to the negative. Isn't Miss Little. Miss Little is the one girl names, means we can use here she. Miss Little is very tall, isn't she? Like this is called as the question tag. Question tag is a positive, means the statement is positive, the question tag will be negative. If the statement is a negative, the question tag will be positive. Like this. Now here tick for true statement and false for the wrong statements. Now you have to do your homework. This simple it is. The big book is on the chair. Now look at here, on the chairs. Correct, means we have to do correct. Like this you have to solve.